Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope you are doing well. As you can see this error on the screen, event code memory missing on indicated cartridge. If your problem is similar like this and the same printer model, as you can see that HP LaserJet Pro M404. If your printer model is same and the problem is similar like this, you can see that, then you must have to watch this video till the end, because in this video how I fix the problem I will tell you. This is the same printer with same cartridge. You can see that the after fixing the problem, the printer is in ready state. It means the problem has been solved. How I solved it? By just changing the direction of the memory chip. I again tell you, by just changing the direction of the memory chip, the problem has been solved. As you know that, if you are old user or an old viewer of my channel, you know that 400 printer and 402 printer, when you bought a new cartridge, always the memory chip is already installed on it. You just have to buy the new cartridge and install it. But if your printer is 404, you always have to buy a new cartridge with separately memory chip, and you have to install the memory chip in the right direction. If the memory chip not installed in the right direction, then the problem similar like this will be occurred. This cartridge was my old cartridge, original genuine cartridge, but the problem is that the memory chip has not been working properly. It become dead, or you can say that this memory chip was not working correctly. I just bought a new memory chip from the market, and then I installed it. After heating, it was very difficult to pull out the memory chip. I heat the memory chip area. After heating it, and I just pull out forcefully, then install new one in this is a correct direction. If you have to install in this direction, the original memory chip is different from the copy. The You can see that this copy and the original memory chip both are the different. This is a copy of the memory chip, and the size and the style both are the change. This is a correct format. You must have to install in this direction. The larger area should be the inner side of the toner, and the smaller area should be outer side of the toner, like this.